Good afternoon, everybody. Coming to you today out on a little road trip here, and I've seen this beauty. Little 85. She is gorgeous. One owner. It's been in the family all of its life. It is pretty. Absolutely rust free. Sure is beautiful. Got something down inside there, a little more than stock though. They put a 440 in her from new. Sure is nice though. Beautiful little gal. I love them Rams. There's the original miles on her. God, that's kind of nice right there. Sound of that door. Woo! Sounds good. Well, I hope you all enjoyed as much as I did. She sure is pretty. Just had to stop and look at her. So y'all have a great day out there. Be safe, and we'll see you around. Thank you.